Have you ever wondered, what is it that makes a popular thing so popular? What separates one funny video or a thoughtful tweet from thousands of others just blending into one another? Contagious, Why Things Catch On, written by Jonah Berger, is dedicated to those sensations people keep talking about months after their publication. It doesn't matter if you would like to create a video that has over 100 million views or a book that is a New York Times bestseller. According to the author, there are 6 universal factors that help things go viral. He calls them the 6 steps, or STEPPS. Number 1. Social currency. Can you use it in conversations? Would it save you from awkward silence when you meet a coworker in an elevator? Would making a recommendation of this product make you look like an expert? An example of this might be a funny cat video or a great book. If you can share it with a group of people, it has some social value. Number 2. Triggers. You have to be able to connect it with people's lives. It has to create free word of mouth for itself. For example, the song Friday by Rebecca Black has spikes in its views every Friday. If you can connect your idea to something in real life, people will talk about it when they see it. If your post shows how many germs are on a coin, people will think or talk about it every time they pick up money. Number 3. Emotion. Does it have a strong emotion attached to itself? Does it make you tear up or does it make you laugh? The more emotional you get, the bigger the chance you will share it. The most effective emotion is awe, but people also share things that make them feel excitement, amusement, anger, or anxiety. Number 4. Public visibility. Can people see that you use this product? Does it have a recognizable brand? The need for public visibility is related to the psychological concept called social proof. When we see people using something, we feel like this might be a good thing and that we should probably start using it too. Number 5. Practical value. Can you use it in everyday life? A good example would be a video with the word life hack in the title. I think we've all seen at least one of those. We tend to share ideas when we know they could be helpful to somebody. Number 6. Stories. This is the oldest factor. People today still read stories created centuries ago. It's a safe bet that somebody in the future will be reading stories from today too. When you put your product in the story, there is a greater chance someone will remember it. Having an interesting anecdote might also help you with using the previous 5 steps. The story you tell should be like the Trojan horse, intriguing for everyone outside, and with your product hidden inside. Those were the 6 steps that help things get popular. If you want to learn more about this topic, you should read Contagious by Jonah Berger. It will definitely give you some insight into making a product that doesn't need marketing, the one that markets itself. Thank you for watching! If you like this video, please subscribe or leave a comment below. Bye!